Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in Onyx Black. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter V8, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4X, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking are on the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4X, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4X badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LEDs, 6.2-liter V8 plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4X badge in the grille as well. AEV front bumper is installed, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper. Towing package is installed. AT4X, Sierra, and GMC badging, all on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4X, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and in the center console, we have the controls for the heated leather seats as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.